Hi guys, and this is Adam from the Wrong Way channel. You guys asked me to answer a couple of questions for you. First question, what's my channel? Oh yeah? Wait, let me check. What's my channel name and why it's called Wrong Way? So my channel is all about electric transportation. You will see tests of electric unicycles, scooters, electric bikes, sometimes also electric cars. Apart from the facts, I also try to stay pretty entertaining. I like to communicate with my audience. Why is it called Wrong Way? Because it is just, I just do the stuff the wrong way. I record the videos in my style, my adventures, which are usually, something falls down or I break something. So I thought, well, let it just be a wrong way. In Polish it's called pod prąd, and I translated it into English into Wrong Way. Sorry guys, my camera ran out of battery and I forgot to bring a spare one, so this is why you will see the same landscape once again. Okay, so the next question was, why is now the best time to jump into PEVs, personal electric vehicles? Now with all the pandemic thing, it's good to have a device to go to work where you just don't share the space with other people in buses, trains or whatever. Now that people know that these electric vehicles have really some impressive parameters and that you don't really need like hundreds and hundreds of miles of range to get to work every day. More and more people will just buy electric scooters, electric unicycles, e-bikes and so on. I think that you, EUCO, are right that this thing actually does boost the PEV, raise the interest maybe, or raise the curiosity of people to look into PEVs, especially if they usually have their journey on a bus or just with the metro train. But it's always a great time to jump into personal electric vehicles. The next question was, I already forgot it. Okay, I remember. What is my favorite personal electric vehicle? And you guys, come on. This is my favorite personal electric vehicle. I think this is the best. I mean, for my use case, it's the best because it always depends on the person. So why I like EUCs the most is actually several things. First thing is how you just ride on them, and you obviously don't need a hand to, push a throttle or have an electronic brake. I actually would not be able to record this video you are watching if I wasn't riding an electric unicycle. So maneuverability and the ride feel as well, because I love riding the EUC. It reminds me a bit of skiing. I just realized recently that I was skiing quite a lot when I was young. Maybe this also helped me to, develop a bit of the EUC skills. And the second thing is practicality. The EUC is by far the lightest and smallest electric device with the same performance or better performance than a scooter. Even my Galway amassed, which is rather heavy at 28 kilograms, has the battery bigger than a Dualtron Thunder that weighs like 44 kilograms. They're way more compact than scooters and e-bikes. That's why I also chose them. I would like to go with the train somewhere. It's electric. And if I wanted to, I can put it easily into a car, can go with it into a store. I don't need to lock it outside. So it's a lot of things. I mean, I could ramble on for a long time why I like EUCs the most. The next thing is probably performance. They're really fast, actually. This unicycle I'm riding on could easily smoke a Dualtron Thunder. And, people don't expect that. It's just so interesting to ride an electric unicycle. One more thing is the ability to so easily ride backwards. That's not possible on other devices. I mean, once you learn it, it's easier to ride backwards than on an e-bike, for example. And it's super maneuverable. So yeah, you can turn just on a dime, which is also not possible on other electric vehicles. Maybe it's possible, but not that easily. But I also do like other vehicles, and I do understand their benefits. For example, in scooters, I really like the possibility to put a lot of stuff on the deck. So I can transport a lot of things, which I did, like huge packages. But I was carrying like 2 huge packages on a dual-trim Thunder, and it's like no issue at all. Okay, I think now I'm gonna actually head back home. I think I rambled on enough, and you'll see a bit of riding footage, riding the Galway MSS. So enjoy.